Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to link your Fidelity account with Venmo. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Venmo application. So if you're on your PC, you're going to go to venmo.com. This is the main URL that you want to open up. On your mobile phone, just go ahead and download the Venmo application and open it up. So once you've done so, now we can get started. The first thing we need to do to be able to connect Fidelity is to log into our Venmo account. So if you do not already have a Venmo account, what you want to do is register for one. You can register for one by clicking the Get Venmo option right here in the upper right corner. That's going to enable you to register on your mobile phone. Just continue with your phone number and get started registering. So once you've gotten your account, log in, and now we can get started. By logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page. Then it looks like this. This is going to be your home page of Venmo, from where we can get started. Right here, as you can see at the bottom of the screen, we can find all the sections we can access, such as home, cards, crypto, and so on, everything we need to use Venmo. So now let's go ahead and continue with this article right here on Fidelity.com, showing us the steps we need to do to go ahead and connect our Fidelity and Venmo account. So how do we link our Fidelity debit card? It's very easy. We're going to open up the Venmo app as I just showed you and click the Me button in the bottom right corner. So here is your Me button. In the bottom right corner, you want to click on Me and your profile picture. That's going to open up this page right here, from where we can get started. And now you can select the gear icon in the top right corner. The gear icon is right here. So this is your gear icon in the Me page that you want to open up your settings. And from there you can click payment methods. Once you open the payment methods, you're going to click to add a bank or card. You can select card and then enter in your Fidelity debit card number and all the info that is required by going to the settings and payment methods. And from there you can get started connecting Fidelity and your Venmo account directly. So if you want to go ahead and establish a direct connection between the Fidelity account and Venmo, you can go ahead and use the account and routing number using the add bank account option. But yeah, basically that's how you can get started. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.